lecture, we are going to look at what is cloud computing and what are the advantages of cloud computing. So first of all, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of compute, database, storage, applications and other IT resources through cloud services platform via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Some of the examples of cloud computing services include Amazon's AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, etc. So I want you to think of cloud computing just like renting someone's computer. Just like when you move to another city and you rent someone's house to live in, you can also rent someone's computer to perform various operations such as storing your files, running some applications, doing some processing, and that is basically cloud computing. Now let's look at some of the advantages of cloud computing. The first advantage of cloud computing is that you can trade capital expenses for variable expense. So what this means is that suppose you want to start an online business. So you'll have to go and purchase some servers to do that, to run your website. But today you don't have to go out and buy servers anymore. You can just log in to AWS or Google Cloud and spin up servers in a matter of minutes. So you can just rent servers and pay for them as you go. The second advantage is that you can benefit from the massive economies of scale. Now think about Amazon or Google for an instance. They have thousands and thousands of servers, and since they purchase these in a large quantity, they got a discount on them. Now if you go out and buy say 5 servers, you obviously won't get them as cheap as Amazon or Google did. The third advantage is that you can stop guessing about capacity. Now let's say you go out and buy your own servers. You might end up buying a little more than you require or a little less than you require. But with AWS or Google Cloud, you can spin up new servers in a matter of minutes as and when you require. Another advantage of cloud computing is that it increases your speed and agility. Like I've been telling you that you can spin up new servers in a matter of minutes. So you can scale up or down as and when required, and you wouldn't have to go out and buy more servers in case you want to scale at 12 at night. Another advantage is that you don't need to spend any money running and maintaining data centers. So if you go and buy out your own servers and create your own data center, you'll obviously have to spend money in running those servers and in maintaining those data centers with their physical security, etc. But with AWS or Google Cloud, you don't have to worry about running and maintaining the data centers. Another advantage is that you can go global in a matter of minutes. So you can spin up servers in India, America, Australia all at the same time in a matter of minutes and be closer to your customers, which would obviously give you less latency. So these are some of the advantages of cloud computing. That's it for this lecture. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.